So today in this video, we'll try to write a Python script to convert any given PDF file which has a table like this to an Excel sheet. So we have different methods. There is a blog which I will share with you. There are three different methods. So first method we'll see in this video. One is using a PDF table API. So for that, first you have to take a Linux machine. Make sure Python is installed. I have used this Linux machine. We have Python 3 installed, and then we have to do this pip install git. So PDF API. So this will get this pip PDF API file, and then we have to go to this website https PDF table. So here you have to log in. If you don't have a username, you have to sign up and then log in again. So I am logging in since I have already registered. Now click API here. If you click API here, you will get a API key where you can use it. So this you can convert with using this API. You can write and call the API code for your conversion. So you have to copy this. So this is the first step. Those methods are explained in this link. You can go through how to log in, how to check the mail and come, and how to activate it. Then we have a code. So this is the sample file, PDF file. We are going to convert name, position, office, everything. Here I've already written a code using a table API. So we have to import this PDF table API, which I have already done with the pip file, and this is the API key which we have to get using that link. Get that, you have to copy that, paste that here, and this is the path in which you have the PDF, and this is the output. The same folder it will create with the sample.xls. If you want a new name, you can have a new name. So that's all. It creates an XLS file. So this is the code. Now you can see there is no file here. We'll try to run Python 3 PDF table API. Let's try to convert. So if you see now, it has converted. So this file is over here. This sample is this newly created file. This is what it see. It has created two pages. Since this PDF has two pages, page 1, and this is page 2. So each entry, the last one is this olive. You can check. So this is 20th one. It has exported all the tables. This is page 1. This is the page. So this is how it will convert you if you are using the PDF table.api. So now in the next video we'll see how to use the other two APIs. You can refer for the link for this convert PDF.xl blog which I will share in this video in the description. Thank you.